Hello and welcome. This is Free to Be Me Barbie. Today we're going to be revisiting Doveggs Moissanite rings. What you're looking at here today is a deep champagne 5-carat in yellow gold. The center ring is a 5-carat hearts and arrow in sterling silver. And the last ring is a 4-carat in yellow gold, hearts and arrow, GHI with a sterling silver Moissanite ring surround. The 4-carat GHI in yellow gold is now well over a year old. The center stone, the 5-carat in sterling silver, is brand new, and the 5-carat cushion cut in yellow gold is well over 6 months old. The deep champagne 5-carat and the 4-carat in yellow gold were both purchased directly from the Doveggs website. The 5-carat ring in the center in sterling silver, along with the ring enhancer in sterling silver, were both purchased off of the Amazon Doveggs sales store. There is absolutely no difference in the quality, whether it's in yellow gold or sterling silver. The brilliance of these gemstones is amazing. The quality is impeccable. I will always be a Doveggs fan. This video is not sponsored, and I purchased all of these items with my own money. I am just as happy with my 4-carat ring that is now over a year old as I am with my 6-month-old champagne and my brand new 5-carat in sterling silver. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.